In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text appear one by one in Google Slides. So rather than having all of your text appear on the page at once, we can actually make each thing appear individually using animations. So the first thing you need to do is just go and select your first piece of text on the page. You can then click on these three vertical dots and select Animate. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to the animation type, and you can go and choose from any of these animations. Now I'm just going to simply use a fade in effect, but you can use any of these. Make sure this is set to on click, and once you've done that, you need to select the second piece of text on your presentation. You then need to click the add animation button, and once again select the animation type. So I'm going to click on fade in this time, and once again make sure it's set to on click. Now we're going to select the last piece of text in the presentation. We're going to click on add animation again. Now because this text contains multiple paragraphs or multiple lines, we're going to click this option next to by paragraph to make each one of the paragraphs appear individually. So once you've done all of that, you can just go and play your presentation. You can then go and click your mouse to make each individual item appear, and you can see that every time we click, the next piece of text appears. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.